In precision metal fabrication industry, the existence of burr has long confined precision, quality, and production capacity of finished products. Conventional plasma, stamping, and flame cutting usually leave sharp edges, slags, and oxidation layers that may cause assembly failure, component life decline, coating rejects, and even safety hazards. Meanwhile, manual deburring is facing low efficiency and poor consistency, making it unsuitable for modern mass production. Senfeng, with deep expertise in R&D and production of metalworking equipment, has launched a full range of metal deburring machines named SFB, SFD, SFZ series. They are engineered specifically for standardized automated grinding. All sheets at a thickness of 0.5 to 80 millimeters can be processed in a manner of 24/7 continuous operation. Their working efficiency is dozens of times faster than manual work. Moreover, surface finishes keep highly uniform on batch parts with micron-level precision. Our machine bed features a thickened mortise and tenon structure that accepts annealing stress relief. Below are the main adsorption modes adopted by Worktable. There are two different modes for different materials: magnetic adsorption for carbon steel sheets, and a combination made of vacuum and magnetic absorption. Our electrical components are primarily from top international brands such as Siemens PLC, Omron relays, and Innovent servos and frequency inverters. As for the control unit, a Siemens 10-inch integrated touchscreen makes all operations smarter and more user-friendly. Here comes the deburring unit. Such silicon carbide abrasive belts are high wear resistant, long-lived, and much faster while grinding. Our machine also comes with plug-type door for safety. The chamfering unit can blunt sharp edges on workpieces. In case of vacuum absorption worktable, we employ high-power, high-suction fan to firmly hold workpieces, enhancing grinding performance. Besides, an explosion-proof wet dust collector is used to remove grinding dust particles. As for main consumables, only water or cutting fluids are required so as to reduce total operating costs. An optional annular conveyor belt will help to lessen manual pickup costs.